Hey guys, welcome to my How to School YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how we can download and install Google Chrome in Manjaro Linux. You have two options to install any softwares. One is by using the graphical user interface method, and second one is by using the terminal, and you have to write the commands in that. So to install any software, first we will open up the launcher and we will search for add remove software, and we will click on that. It will open up this window where you guys can see all the installed programs. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to enable Arch User Repository or AUR. To do that, we will click on the button which has 3 lines, which is present in the top right corner. We will click on that and we will click on Preferences in this menu. And to continue further, we need to authenticate. So I'm going to enter in my password and I'm going to click on Authenticate. It will open up this preferences window, and here you guys can see a tab called as AUR. AUR is the community maintained repository, and here AUR stands for Arch User Repository. So first what we do is we will enable AUR support. To do that, we will click on this here and we will enable that, and then we will click on this check for updates from AUR, and then we will close this window. Now here we will click on the search button and we will search for Chrome, and here now from this left hand side we will click on this AUR and it will search for Chrome in the Arch User Repository, and you guys can see here the first result, Google Chrome. So to install this, what we do is we will click on this build button, and now you guys can see it is highlighted in a different color, and then we will click on this apply, which is present in the bottom right, and then here it is displaying what are the things it will install. So we will click on apply and it will start download and installing it. So if you want to see the detailed process, then click on this button which contains this arrow in the bottom right corner, and you will see all the steps happening. Currently it is downloading, so let us wait for this downloading and installing to finish. Now it is installing Google Chrome. Now we get the notification in here saying that transaction successfully finished. It means it has installed Google Chrome successfully. What we do is we will click on this left arrow which is present in the top, and then we will close this window. Now if I open up the launcher and if I search for Chrome, you guys can see we have Google Chrome installed. So I'm gonna make it as the default browser, and I don't want to send any usage statistics or crash reports to Google. And then I'm gonna click on this OK, and we have Google Chrome in our computer. So this is how you guys can install Google Chrome in Manjaro Linux. If you like this video, then hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.